Okay, we're back at Skull Mountain one more time with this Traxxas High Trail Ford F-150 XLT Ranger model. We put the brass under it. We're gonna see what she'll do. I'm also using a new camera mount, so hopefully it'll help me record a little bit better graphics. Alright, let's see what. Let's get her down off of this perch here. Come down here and we'll spin around. Gotta lock my diffs and everything too, so we'll do that. We did have some substantial rain last night, so go ahead and lock these diffs up, both of them. Make sure that they're locked. I am in low gear. And as you can see, we've got some debris down low on Skull Mountain here on the back side. Let's see how this thing does. Will Skull Mountain be conquered today by this Traxxas? She's a-crawling and settling in. Oh yeah. Needed that brass up front, that extra little brass up front. Helped that truck out a lot. I'm telling you now. No problem. Skull Mountain, you've been conquered by Traxxas. Going up that direction. Now let's see what happens if I try it this other direction. This might be a little bit more of a challenge for this little Traxxas. For this big Traxxas, rather. You have to excuse the wind. I'm trying to protect the camera from it. That's steep. Oh my, that back end's hot. She caught up on me. Needs to come over this way out of that rut. See what she does. Is she lightening up in the front end yet? Yep. Oh, okay. See what she does here. I don't know. I think Skull Mountain's gonna have him on that. I've only got a couple of rigs that'll crawl this side of it because it really steepens up. Oh. Well, go back to this side then. Make sure you can do it twice. Not just once, Traxxas, but twice. You've got to hit it twice. Oh, crawl it. Crawl it. No, denied that time. That front end lifted right up. Oh, that back tire's caught in that rut. Don't want that happening. Got to get it out of that rut. Front end in the rut, no problem. Back end you don't want in the rut. She'll tip over every time. Oh, you're gonna deny him second try. Come on. Grab a bite, Traxxas. Oh, so close. Now the other back tire's in the rut. I don't think it's gonna pull out of it. If it does, oh, she's gonna lock up right there. She's gonna lock up right there. Yep, she is pinched in. Oh yeah, pinched in big time. Oh, that's not good. That's not a good thing. We're gonna have to back her back out there. See what we can do. Hopefully she'll back out there. Oh yeah. Oh. She got it second time. That's spliced up the backside of Skull Mountain. I'm proud of you, Traxxas. Yeah, you cost me a few more dollars, but I am proud of you. Had a bug just hit me in the eyeball. And you do it 3 times in a row. Oh, Tommy tip over. Alright, reset, and here we go. No. Wow. 3rd time. Skull Mountain. Alright, 4th attempt. It said no. Again. Skull Mountain is definitely challenging this Traxxas. I had to gas her up. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? Here we go again. Let's see what happens. We'll use the skull if we have to. These Traxxas is saying in your face, skull. Heck yeah. Oh my God. That was just unbelievable. Alright then. I'm gonna consider Traxxas and Skull Mountain to be a tie. Skull Mountain beats Traxxas, Traxxas beats Skull Mountain.